What's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube? What's going on? So, I'm making this video about technical analysis and how it pertains to AMC. And for all the people who say that technical analysis doesn't work on AMC and all that stuff, I just want to show you guys why I disagree with that and why I believe that technical analysis does work. And people should kind of pay attention to it. That's where I stand. And with that said, let's jump right into this. Let's go. So we have the AMC 1-year chart right here, and this was way back before the very first run up. You know, as you can see, I'm going to zoom in over here for y'all. And this is mainly what I want to show. Is this here is the 200 moving average. You got the simple moving average and exponential moving average. I use exponential. There's minor differences, but you can look those differences up. I might even show them in this video. Not really sure what I'm going to do, but when the stock price is above the 200, it's bullish. When it's below the 200, it's bearish. I basically use the 1348. So here's what I got. Okay, as you can see, before the run up, we're above the 200. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit, and we'll follow this red line. We stayed above the 200, stayed above the 200 till here. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom in here because I want to show a couple of things. Right, in the run up, we had a pullback. We created right here, which looks like a W, a double bottom. Right, I would consider this a double bottom into a W, came up, hit the speed line there, came back down, basically traded sideways over time, and 1348 crossed down. We came down a bit, and this is where it all starts right here. So on 12/11/2021, we dropped below the 200 for the first time since the very first run-up, okay? And my point to this is we've never gotten back above the 200 EMA until 3/28/2022, which I will show you right here. Okay, we'll just highlight this. That was this big candle right here on this run-up, okay, which was not that long ago. So if you look, you can see we dropped below the 200 right here. We retested a couple times and it fell below. But for the past 5 months, probably a little bit longer now, but from 3/28/2022 was approximately 5 months. So between 12/11/2021 and 3/28/2022 was approximately 5 months, give or take. You could do some math. But that's this time frame from here to basically this candle. All right. So you can't expect to be bullish on any of these candles, and I'm going to prove it to you going back here. So we'll go to the 4-hour. We won't be able to go to all of the time frames because it won't be there. But if you come to the 4-hour, and we come over here, and you look right here, it's the drop off. Okay. So we'll highlight it. All right. Drop off right here. You can see 4-hour hasn't been bullish until right here on this date, which would be 3/22/2022. So 7 days before the daily. I'm just trying to let you guys see that it's noticeable. The point to this is people need to take into account, you know, what was going on at the time and why we couldn't get any real good runs during that time frame, right? Because Everything's based off of time frames. You know, your 2 hour, your 15-minute. Here's a 2 hour. Same thing right here. 2 hour didn't get bullish until 3/22/2022 as well. You know, so that's huge. That's a huge deal. You know, so then you could go and you could talk about what's going on now, right? So if you look at, I was talking about this back here, you know, telling people about what was going on. We were getting close to becoming bullish again. And I don't say we're gonna go to the moon. I don't necessarily say that because I don't want to put out stuff because you never know what's going to happen. But if you look, we got above it here on 2/10/2022. So I misspoke by saying over here. We got above it over here on the 2 hour. But if you look, here's a double top, an M. Boom, boom, down she goes. So when we went down this low, we started this downtrend here, the speed line here, and then we got into this tight wedge where if we zoom in here, look, we broke out of the wedge here, right here. So wedges and all these lines and trend lines, support resistance lines, they all work to a certain extent. You know, they help you guide plus all your other indicators. So it does work. And that's pretty much what I got right now. I just figured I would put that out there for people to see. And, you know, that's pretty much all I got for this video. So if you like the video, beat that like button, beat that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. You guys have a good one. Peace.